In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up departments and managers in Gusto. If you're organizing your team inside Gusto, setting up departments and assigning managers is a simple but very useful step. It helps keep employee records clean, makes reporting more organized, and ensures each team member is connected to the right part of the company. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish in a clear and practical way. To begin, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're signed in with admin access, since you'll need the proper permissions to create departments and update employee details. Once you're in, go to the left sidebar and click People. This is where you'll manage your employee information and make the updates needed for department and manager assignments. From the People area, click More, then select Departments. This will take you to the section where you can create and manage department names for your organization. Next, click Add Department. You'll be prompted to enter a department name. Type in the name you want to use, keeping it clear and consistent with how your company is structured. After entering the name, click Save. Your new department is now available to assign to employees. Now head back to the People section and select the employee you want to update. This will open that employee's profile where you can adjust their work-related details. Inside the employee profile, open the Work tab. In this section, look for the Role area. Next to Department, click Edit, then choose the department you just created. This connects the employee to the correct team within Gusto. After that, find the Manager field in the same area. Click Edit next to Manager. Choose the employee's manager from the list and save your changes. Assigning a manager helps reflect reporting relationships accurately, which can be helpful for internal organization and future administrative tasks. If you need to update more than one employee, simply repeat the same process for each additional person. Taking a few extra moments to do this carefully can help keep your records accurate and easy to manage over time. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double-check department names before assigning them broadly, especially if you're setting up multiple teams. Consistent naming makes everything easier to review later. That's how to set up departments and managers in Gusto. Thanks for watching.